Hey everybody, welcome back to this Yokomo SD9 Sport kit build series. Today we're going to be installing the hubs onto the chassis. And everything you need, you should already have out from the previous bags. You do need to find the black grease, and it's included with the kit, but I think I'm going to use my Team Associated one instead. Let's get started. All right, let's take a look at everything we need. We need the front suspension mount, and it says F1 there, and that's how you know that's the correct one. 2 of these pins, 2 of these flathead screws, and of course the front hubs. And let's start on this side right here. Now the first step you're going to do, and you're also going to put some black grease, of course. This is the first step you have to do. If you don't do this part first and screw everything down, you're not going to be able to insert the dog bone later on. All right. So to put in the dog bone, you just go at it at an angle, and it pushes right in. Let me show you again. Just push right in, and it should go in very easily. Next goes a pin. And we're trying to push it through the rear suspension block right there. And then one of these spacers. And these spacers came from a small tree that looks like this. And they're at the end. There's the spacer. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Put the black grease on. Tilt it in there. Okay, I had a little trouble putting the dog bone into this out drive for some reason, but I got it in there. Now I'm just going to push the pin through. And then slip on the washer. And then the suspension mount. And the F1 should be facing the car inward. You thread it through like that. Now I'm going to turn it around and put 2 screws here and here. Now we're done with the front. Actually, one more step. We're going to slap on all of these turnbuckles. This one is linked to the steering. For this side, like that. Just like that. And when you're done, this is the geometry and the layout you're looking for. There you go. Let's do the back. All right, and the rear side is going to be a little bit easier. You just have to make sure you have the right arm and the right side. So they're going to go on like this. And we're able to mount this first before we have to put the dog bone in this time. So let's do that. The same thing, just going to push a pin through the hole like that. And then push it through the suspension mount in the back. 1 spacer. Same for the other side. And here's the suspension mount. The letters is going to face the car as well. Just going to push this through. all the way. And now when I turn it over, the screw holes should line up right here, these two. Just like that. And before we snap on the turnbuckles, we need to put in the dog bones. You first straighten out these axles. Like that. Okay. And again, you want to put grease on both ends. I already did it for this one. Same thing. Just going to tilt and bend it in, and then there we go. And let's go ahead and snap on the turnbuckle, just like that. Now that side is not going to fall out. And here is the other dog bone. And there you go. And the rear geometry should look something like this. All right. That is it for today's video. We put on the wheel hubs on both the front and the back. We have the arms on now. We've connected the turnbuckles. So again, you can see that we're very, very close. In the next video, we're going to be building the shocks or dampers, mount them on, and then it's onto the ESC, and we're pretty much done. So thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.